Good afternoon, students. Today it's activity period. Subject EVS1 activity. Okay. Now, in today's activity, what you have to do is a statement will be given to you. Okay. And you have to read that statement. And if statement is correct, you have to put a tick mark in the box given, okay, in the answer box. And if statement is wrong, you have to put a cross mark in the answer box. Okay, it will be similar to this activity, similar to true and false, how you do in the your workbook, or when I give you question answer true and false, it will be same like that. If statement is correct, you have to put tick. If statement is wrong, you have to put cross mark. Okay. And the questions will be general knowledge question. Okay. From science, general knowledge questions which may be related to your syllabus also. Okay. So first question will be question number 1. You can save water by showering instead of bathing. Okay. Now you have to guess. Now you have to analyze. Is the statement correct or wrong? Now can you save water by showering or by bathing with one bucket? Which is the way of saving water? Okay. Now if here they are saying that you can save water by showering, so this statement is wrong. Okay. Now one I have done for you here. See. Now you have to make like this box in your notebook. One column, one row of questions and one row of answers, and 10 columns for 10 questions, because there are 10 questions in this video. Okay. So first one is, you can save water by showering instead of bathing. This statement is wrong. So you have to put a cross mark in the answer box. Okay, this is the first one I have done for you. Okay. Now the second question. Second question is question number 2. Camel is known as sheep of the desert. Have you seen a camel? Okay. Now you can search also the answers in Google. You can take somebody's help in your house. Okay. Is a camel known as sheep of desert? If yes, put a tick, and if no, put a cross. Okay. Question number 3. Human beings are living things. Okay, this we have learned in our syllabus. In 3rd standard also we have learned. 4th standard also we have learned. Human beings are living things. Yes or no? If yes, put a tick. If no, put a cross mark in the box. Okay. That means the box which you will make in your notebook, there you have to put. Okay. Question number 4. The festival of Christmas is celebrated in the month of December. Okay. Everybody knows in which month is Christmas celebrated? Yes? Okay. Accordingly, put tick or cross. Okay. Question number 5. A week has 8 days. So how many days are there in a week? Okay, I have given you some pictures also in the video, so you can make a guess with the help of those pictures. Okay. Now if the statement is right, put tick. If no, put a cross mark. Okay. Question number 6. Plants are very important for all the living things, as they give us oxygen for breathing. Yes or no? Everybody knows this. I have taught you this in 3rd standard also. Okay. Okay, in this portion also I am teaching you in 4th standard also. Same thing. Question number 7. Water occurs in 2 forms or 2 states. Yes or no? See the picture. Take the help of the picture also which I have given. Okay, and accordingly answer. Question number 8. Non-living things can move on their own. Yes or no? Okay. Accordingly, answer. Now a chair is a non-living thing. Can it move on their own? Here they are saying that they can move on their own. Okay. Question number 9. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Which type of clothes now do you wear in summer season? Okay, answer. Question number 10. We should never waste food. Okay. This is the last question. This much only for today's activity. Do it in your EVS 1 notebook. Okay. Thank you so much, students. Do like, comment and share for more videos. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.